Hey guys, have you ever wondered how to make potato porridge? So this is a very easy recipe and mouth-watering one that you should learn. I go ahead to season my chicken. I love to use chicken for my potato porridge. It just takes everything to the next level. And by the way, this is native chicken, so imagine the flavors that are going into this. I mix with my favorite spices. I'll have them linked below, and air fry my meat, of course, queen of doing that. Then I go in with my palm oil, and then I add some tomato paste. Guys, this is just the go-to. And then I add some of my fresh tomato, pepper, bell peppers, and then I add my favorite seasonings as well, all linked in the description box, so you don't have to ask me every time. And then I add my chicken broth, and then going with my potato, already washed, sliced and washed, of course. And then I leave this to cook for a while. Add extra water if needed. I mean, why not? So after I'm done with that, I check on my meat, already done. Ooh, looking so yummy and tantalizing. Don't eat it, okay? And after that is done, I like to add some sweet plantains because, you know, they just make everything serere, or what's the word? Then I add my meat because my chicken is always halfway cooked, not 100% cooked, so I add it so that before everything is ready, it's definitely going to be cooked. And at this point, I add some bell peppers, onion, and some sweet corn. Love sweet corn in my potato porridge. You can't tell me nothing. So after I'm done doing that, I let it go for a while, reduce the heat, of course, and you guys, everything is ready. Just mix, serve, enjoy. These servings can go up to 5 people because potato porridge is a bit heavy and you don't want to eat so much of it. Subscribe guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.